Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I received some lipsticks from a brand called Christian by Hadassah. I just want to show you the packaging. I think the packaging is just so nice. I don't know if you can see that. Let me close my eyes. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so the brand is owned by a girl called Hadassah. She's such a beautiful person. She's a beautiful soul. She's an entrepreneur, and I really love supporting Zimbabwean entrepreneurs. So she came up with a range of lipsticks. I'm not sure how many are they, but then she sent me 5 lipsticks. Alrighty. Oh, I love those lipsticks, and I'm gonna show you how I put them on and how they look on a person who's light-skinned like me. So like I said, she's a Zimbabwean entrepreneur, and she contacted me and said, I want to send you some lipsticks. I was like, oh yay, I love that. So that happened. Okay, so if you like this, if you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. I make videos every other Thursday, and yay, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like this video, and comment down below which one is your favorite lipsticks. My favorite is the red. Okay, I do love red. Like, I really favor red. Red is like one of my favorite, but to be honest, I really like all of them, especially this one that I'm wearing right now. It's pink. It's not pink, I don't know. It looks so nice. Like, I really love it. So they mattify like after like 2 or 3 minutes. They do take long to mattify, but when they do, they really stick on, and you can't, like, there's nothing. I'll do it again. Literally nothing. So they do mattify very well, and the creamy texture is so nice, and it's so beautiful. Like, the lipsticks are really beautiful, and I'm telling you, they can compete with matte lipsticks. These ones are so beautiful, and I hope you guys can buy them. I put down links below to her personal page and her what's it called, her makeup page. So yay, I hope you like them. So okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later. Bye.